Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In this video, I'll show you how to add an expenses category in Expensify. Categories help you organize expenses into groups like travels, meals, or office supplies. So let's get started with the video. First, open Expensify on web and log in. You can use any browser for that, since categories are best managed from your web browser or the website of Expensify. Click on your profile icon right here and go to the security or settings option from here. As you can see here, you can go to your settings from here. Under policies, choose the policy where you want to add categories, then click on categories from here. Simply create report and you can create categories from here as well. Now click new category and type the category name like client entertainment or travel and save it. You can also set rules like whether receipts are required or not. Now when you add expenses, you will see your new category in the drop down list on your home page, and that's how easy it is to add an expenses category in Expensify. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below with the next feature you want me to cover next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.